If you learned English as a second language, you may have learned many new words by reading them. The problem is that you can't always know how to pronounce a word from how it is written. These words are pronounced just the way you would expect. Stove, drove, cove, grove. However, these words do not follow the same pattern. Love, above, dove, move. There is no rule. You simply have to be familiar with these words and their correct pronunciations. It's no surprise how we pronounce made, paid, and braid, but plaid and said have pronunciations that are irregular. Games and names are pronounced just as anyone might expect. But listen, we say the Thames River in England. We say although, but we say rough, tough, and trough. We say pays, days, and trays. However, we don't say says. We say says. You just have to know that. We say bought, brought, and thought, but drought has a different vowel sound. If you are not sure how a word is pronounced, here are some suggestions. Listen to how other English speakers pronounce the word. Try to identify the vowel sounds. Use dictionary software to hear the generally accepted pronunciations. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. For more free tutorials, or for information about speech training classes, visit www.confidentspeech.com.